mean, that's the kind of brand of cricket we've been playing, for the last 3 or 4 years. And, when you saw these two debutants, show that kind of maturity and flair and discipline, it was great to see because, like you mentioned, today Siraj's effort was outstanding. Actually, he might not have the numbers to show for it, but the discipline and the ability to bowl long spells, the maturity he showed for someone playing his first Test match, and in doing the job that he had to do once we lost Umesh, who was not on the field, was outstanding. And then Shubman going and playing with that kind of flair later on was great to see. Great character, I think.
Thanks.
More than anything, they've shown great character. I think this will go down in the annals of Indian cricket, world cricket, as one of the great comebacks, in the history of the game. To be rolled over for 36 and then 3 days later to get up and be ready to punch was outstanding. I think the boys deserve all the credit for the character they showed. Real character. I don't know. I'm hearing it for the first time. And what is a bowling captain? I don't know. There's no definition as such for that. But he's a very shrewd leader. He has a good understanding of the game, good reader of the game. And I thought his calm composure out there in the middle, helped the debutants as well, helped the bowlers as well. There was a calming influence there. And in spite of losing Umesh, I still thought, we did a great job out there. See, both are good readers of the game. Virat is very passionate. Ajinkya, on the other hand, is very calm and composed. And it's their characters. So Virat is more in your face, while Ajinkya is quite prepared to sit back in a very calm and composed manner. But deep inside, he knows what he wants. No chat. And when we arrived in Melbourne, it was the things we got to do to get up and fight. I thought he was very, very good in this innings. Yeah, anyone can make a mistake. It's any batsman can make a mistake. I thought the discipline he showed in the runs he made, his ability to counter-attack, and play some shots and move the game forward, I think is a huge plus for the team. And he showed it in this game. He might have got 29, but there was a lot more than 29 there. Outstanding. I think that the discipline, the aggression, the calmness, it was evident for everyone to see. Execution of plans, what was set out for them to go out there and execute it to perfection was remarkable to see. Was discipline, what you saw today, focusing on accuracy, discipline, and being patient. Being prepared to be patient even if they batted a session or a session and a half. Be prepared to even chase down 100, 150 if need be. So think in that fashion. Don't think, think as if you have to take 10 wickets, not just 4 wickets. So, those were all the thoughts we had today. I think a lot has to do with the IPL. The fact that they share the dressing room, with international players, they rub shoulders with the best. It's that complex factor disappears very quickly. And you see what you see now. He's a genuine all-rounder. That's why he bats where he is. He can bat at 6, he can bat at 5 if need be, on a given occasion. But he's a genuine all-rounder. And that's why he lends a lot of balance to the side. Also, when you play overseas, there's always a chance of one of the bowlers getting injured, like you saw with Umesh. So with Jadeja there, it gives better balance, and it also gives the fast bowlers some respite with Jadu and Ash, doing the bowling. Yes, we will stick to 5 bowlers. About Rohit, he joins the team tomorrow, so we'll have a chat with him to see where he is placed, physically, because he's been in quarantine for the last couple of weeks. We also got to see, how he feels before we take the call. We had a lot of positives in Adelaide, but at the end of the day, it's the result that counts. We were blown away in the second innings in 1 hour. So when you're blown away, you're blown away. There's nothing you can do about it, but to get up and fight. And which we did in this, in the second Test match. And we were not to beat a team like Australia, especially in Australia. There's no point having 1 good day or 2 good days. You got to have, you have to have 5 good days if you have to beat them. It's as simple as that. I thought he looked, very, very mature for someone playing his first Test match. He looked very calm and composed, and wasn't afraid to play shots, which was great to see. Even in the second innings, it was very easy to get into a shell, but he went out there and played his natural game, which was great from the team point of view. I think it was the innings of Ajinkya Rahane. The discipline, this on such a big stage in a massive arena, to come as captain of the team, bat at number 4, when he went out to bat, we were 2 down 60, and then to bat 6 hours on probably the toughest day to bat because it was overcast all day, the sun never came out, and he batted for 6 hours. Unbelievable concentration. I thought that was the turning point. His innings was the turning point. It depends on the surface you play. So if there is moisture content, like there was on day 1, that was the reason why, we got Ashwin on as early as he did, and he got turn and he got bounce. So it drop in pitches sometimes, when it's watered, there is a bit of moisture. And when there's moisture, there's no harm in giving a spinner a go early and to see if there's anything there. I think it's a great present from the team to the millions of followers of the Indian cricket team to have a very happy New Year and bring some smiles on the faces, going into the new year after this performance.